this is not a traditional lighting storm video, but I'd like to thank you for the 570 subscribers, along with 3,000 public watching hours in the past year. And we're going to introduce memberships. So the membership is going to cost a denomination, any U.S. denomination to join the membership. There are 6 levels of the membership, and there are 6 different types of U.S. denominations as well. Okay, the first level is a basic membership. It's going to cost you only a 1 denomination per month. And you get like perks. You also get like photo updates. You will get early access to videos, and you get 1 subscriber from Downriver Lightning Storm to your YouTube channel, so you can make the same achievement as what I just did yesterday. It was monetized yesterday. So let's get back to membership. So the second level membership is called Lightning Replies. Lightning Reply membership will only cost you a 5 denomination, or a $5 bill per month. And these include a couple of the following. You get a priority reply to comments, and if the comment is appropriate, we'll approve. If it's not appropriate or it contains like bad words or something like that, we'll have to remove the comment. Now here's another benefit. You get member poll or member only poll, POLL, in which you vote. And that's it for level 2. Now the third level is called the member lighting video level. And it's going to cost you only a 10 denominated or a $10 bill per month. The benefits are numbered only shorts and number only videos. And it's something like way before when the thunderstorm will hit. And that's all for the third one, for the third level. Now the fourth level is called Thunder Connection. And it's only going to cost you a 20 denomination or a $20 US dollar bill. So it's just a 20 per month. And these include number shout out and connecting on social media other than YouTube. Now connecting on social media for YouTube only is part of the first level. Now for level 4, all connections on social media. And that is good for you. Those are the 4 memberships we'll have available, but we have the 5th and 6th membership, but we do not have yet. Now the 5th level are the live member storm level. And it's only going to cost you about a denomination of 50 per month, or a $50 bill per month. Now these include number live chat and member live videos only. So those are like members only. Now here is the sixth and final level. The super fan level is called Lightning Thorn Premium. And it only costs you a denomination of $100 or $100 bill. And that's the highest denomination that US will have. And the benefits you get include member-only chat room, and you get a discount on merchandise. So right now, it's best to start with the first 4 levels. Now, once I get the merch shop open, along with live videos, you can have level 5 and 6 open. And every level you get more benefits. So for level 1 you just get level 1. Level 2 is level 1 and 2. Level 3 is level 1, 2, and 3. For level 4 you get level 1, 2, 3, and 4. For level 5 you get level 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And for level 6 you get level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that's it for the membership. Now, form of payment are typically online only. We do offer refunds in management scenarios. So let's say, for example, you're on a level 5 of our membership, and we cancel the level 5 membership. In these scenarios, we'll send you a refund by check. We have to click the link. And you only get to apply once for the refund, and then we'll mail it. So we'll write you a check, and then we'll mail it, in case any situations like this happen. They're rare. And here is a common one at the start of the point. Here's a common one at the time, which is less common now often. So if you get a level 5 or level 6 membership, we do not have live videos, we do not have the merch store yet. So that means we're going to have to refund you the difference. And you'll be treated as like a level 4 membership. So level 5 and 6 will come later, but if you are a member on level 5 and 6, before we have live videos, live chats, or the merch store, we'll refund the difference of the level 4. So basically, if you're level 6, would cost $100. That's how much it costs. But level 4 only costs $20. In this event, you'll get an $80 refund, but it's going to be in the form of a check. And you get 180 days to cash that check. If you didn't have a chance to cash in a refund within 180 days, we'll write you another one. So that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to Downriver Heights Lightning Thorn for more lightning videos and updates. Every subscriber counts.